Trying to build a website, but feel stuck before you even begin? Well, you're not alone. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or launching your first side hustle, your website is your digital headquarters. But with so many tools for building out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed and never actually start. Well, that ends today. In this video, I'm walking you through the best platforms to build your website, even if you have zero tech experience. We'll talk about which tool fits your needs, your budget, and your goals. Whether you're selling products, building a portfolio, or just need something clean and professional for your brand. And yeah, I'll even share a look at Inkaloo, our in-house web builder tool that we've been using to make website building actually fun again. Let's get into it. What you actually need in a website builder. Before we dive into the tools, let's talk features. What makes a good website builder in 2025? Here's what you should be looking for. First off, ease of use. Can you build something without hiring a development team? Design flexibility. Does it look how you want it to look? Mobile optimization. Over 70% of your visitors are on phones, so your site needs to work there. E-commerce friendly. Can you sell something or book a service? Speed and performance. Sites that load slow equal an instant bounce. Extendability. Can you grow with it? Add forms, pop-ups, and integrations? Affordability. Because let's be real, budget matters. All right, well now that we know what we're looking for, let's go through the platforms. Let's start with the OGs, Wix and Squarespace. These are drag and drop website builders that are perfect for beginners. You don't need to touch any code. Everything is visual. You want to move a picture? You drag it. Want to change text? You click and type. Squarespace leans more design focused. It's clean, minimal, great for portfolios, photographers, and creative brands. Wix gives you a bit more freedom, more templates, more plugins, and more room to break the design if you're not careful. So let's talk about the pros. Well, there's no coding at all with either platform. They have templates for every kind of business. They offer built-in analytics, SEO tools, and an e-commerce option. And there's great support with both platforms. The cons. They can feel limiting in the long term. Monthly fees can add up, especially once you unlock e-commerce or premium features, and sometimes bloated code equals a slower site speed. So if you're just starting and want a site that looks polished with minimal effort, this might be your best bet to start. Next up, Webflow. And this one's a beast, in a good way. Webflow gives you designer-level control over your website without touching the raw code. It's kind of like Photoshop meets HTML, but for websites. If you're picky about layout, interactions, animations, Webflow gives you pixel-perfect precision. It's perfect for agencies, startup businesses, advanced creators, and brands that want a slick, professional feel without hiring a development team. The pros of Webflow. It builds super modern, high-performance websites. It offers CMS functionality, which is great for blogs and portfolios. It offers amazing design control, and it's great for SEO. Some of the cons. There's a steep learning curve. It can get pricey with multiple sites or advanced features. And mobile layouts need more hands-on attention. If you're the kind of person who says, I want it to look exactly like this, Webflow might be the best decision for you. Shopify. Now, if you're looking to sell products, especially physical products, the conversation starts and ends with Shopify. It's the undisputed king of e-commerce platforms. Whether you're selling shirts, dropshipping gadgets, or pushing digital downloads, Shopify makes it simple. Here's why it rocks. It's built specifically for online sales. It offers powerful inventory, shipping, and tax tools. It offers tons of apps and plugins. And they have secure checkout and fast performance. But here's the catch. You'll pay monthly fees and transactional fees, and it's not as flexible outside of the e-commerce design. It's best for people who are ready to sell, not just showcase a portfolio. So if your business model is sales first, Shopify is a no-brainer. Wordpress and Elementor. All right, now we're stepping into power user territory. WordPress plus Elementor is the move if you want full flexibility. WordPress powers over 40% of the internet for a reason. It's insanely customizable. And with Elementor, a visual drag and drop builder plugin, you can design your entire site without touching a line of code, but still unlock all of WordPress's advanced capabilities under the hood. It's perfect for bloggers, coaches, membership sites, content-heavy platforms, and there's a ton of pros to using WordPress, including a massive plugin ecosystem, the fact that you own your site in hosting, it scales with you in the long term, and it offers a strong community and support. Some of the cons, however, the setup is more complex, it needs updates, security, and backups, and there's a slightly higher learning curve than with Squarespace or Wix. But if you want flexibility and power, this combo gives you everything you need to grow. Inkaloo. Now, let's talk about Inkaloo. This is the platform we've been building behind the scenes. And honestly, it's designed for people like us. If you're a creator, a streamer, or a small brand who just wants to get a clean, fast site online without a bunch of tech headaches, Inkaloo is the move. So what makes Inkaloo different? Well, it's got super easy setup. You can launch a beautiful site in just minutes. It has gorgeous flexible templates that still let you make it feel like you. It offers ridiculously fast performance speeds, which means no bloated code, and it makes for tons of faster load times. It offers built-in lead capture, link in bio pages, and email sign-up tools. And the platform is no code, but still expandable if you grow. We built Inkaloo to solve the exact problems we kept running into with all other tools. Inkaloo's user-friendly platform eliminates the tech headaches, ongoing website maintenance struggles, and design blocks that we experience with other site builders. If you want something that's built for modern creators, this is it. Inkaloo is available for everyone to create on, and you can learn more through the link in the description on this video. Card. If you need something super lightweight, like a bio link or a one-page site, check out Card. It's criminally underrated. Card is perfect for link in bio setups, personal landing pages, promo pages for launches or lead magnets. It's fast, clean, and free to start. And if you want custom domains or pro features, it's only like $19 a year. Insanely affordable. At the end of the day, don't get stuck in tool paralysis. The best website builder is the one that helps you get launched and keep moving. So whether you go with Wix, Webflow, Shopify, WordPress, or even our own Inkaloo, the point is this: get the website done. You can make it perfect over time. And start where you are. Build as you grow and treat the site like your digital home. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know what you liked about it in the comments. Which builder are you using or thinking about trying? Oh, and if you want a full tutorial series on how to use any of these tools, just say the word. I've got you in future videos.